Welcome to today's Mad Science Experiment here at Brighteon.com. I'm Mike Adams, the founder of Brighteon, and every time you see with my purple gloves on right here, this is because we're going to be handling some unique artifacts, let's say. And today we are working on answering the question, does chlorine dioxide destroy glyphosate? What you're going to see is a bottle of weed and grass killer, that's glyphosate. That's actually 410 parts per million glyphosate, right? So 41% glyphosate roughly. And then we have some water in a jar there with a shot glass in the center. We're going to make chlorine dioxide infused water using the product there called ClO2, which is from the Safrax company, Safrax. So it's a disinfectant. And then what I have here, I'm going to hold this up. This bottle is diluted glyphosate from that weed killer bottle. So this is, I don't know, somewhere in the hundreds of parts per million, or maybe as low as 100 parts per million. I'll have to check with our lab. And we're going to take that, divide it into two 50 ml vials here. And in one of them, we're going to put a volume of chlorine dioxide in water. And then we're going to have these tested in the lab to see if the glyphosate has been destroyed. Sound good? So let's do it. Let's get busy. Okay, you see that? That's 1 gram. Gonna put it in and close it up. And it's starting to work. Okay, as you can see, it's going to work and it's making chlorine dioxide infused water right there in the shot glass. But first we have to transfer the glyphosate that's in this bottle into these 50 ml vials. So I don't want to get this on my skin because, you know, this causes non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, obviously. So I'm wearing the purple gloves. Okay, stand by. That looks almost perfect. I'm going to put the lids on and label these. I'm going to take, let's say, let's just do 1 ml, a milliliter of that chlorine dioxide water, and I'm going to put it into vial B. So this is currently about 50 mils. It'll be 51 when we're done, and one of those milliliters will be the chlorine dioxide water, and then we'll see if it destroys the glyphosate. So I'm going to go do that transfer. All right, so the transfer is done. I'm going to hand these over to my lab tech that does the glyphosate testing, which is on our triple quad mass spec instrument. I was told that chlorine dioxide destroys glyphosate, but I'm like, don't trust and then verify. You know, I don't trust anything anybody tells me, but I want to verify it and find out. Maybe they're right. All right, welcome back. We have the test results now. It's been, I don't know, a week or whatever it's been. So the vial on the left, which is A, I labeled it A, that has 58 parts per billion of glyphosate in it. Vial B, where we added the chlorine dioxide, it only has 15.8 parts per billion glyphosate, which means that the chlorine dioxide destroyed 73% roughly of the glyphosate. Wow. I mean, there's your answer. It destroyed 73% of the glyphosate. I'm actually surprised.